All right, class. So today we'll be learning something very exciting today. What we'll be learning today is a formula on how to solve for any part of any triangle. And this amazing formula is called the Law of Sine. So as you guys can see here, the formula is sine of angle A over lowercase a equals sine of angle B over lowercase b equals sine of angle C over lowercase c. And so I know these letters might seem random or confusing. So I'm gonna draw you guys a little diagram so you guys can make a connection with the formula. And as I said before, this formula works for any type of triangle. So I'm gonna try to do my best to draw an uneven triangle. All right, so that actually looks pretty even, but like I said, this formula can work for any type of triangle. And so I'm just going to label these points right here, C, B, and A. Okay, and then I'm going to label the respective opposite side of those angles with the lowercase letter. So we have A, this is B, this is a lowercase c. Okay, so we have from the diagram, we have the lowercase letters representing the sides of the triangle, right? So we have the ABC here representing the sides of the triangle. And the uppercase represents the vertices of the triangle. And of course, in the formula, it will be representing angle A or angle B, angle C of the triangle. So what we're going to learn today is how to prove the law of sine. And to start off, we're going to draw an altitude from angle C, or from point C to the segment AB, right? So we have a right angle here, and then I'm just going to label this segment H, okay? All right, and next we're going to find the sine of angle B. And as we know, the sine of angle B would be, let me just make this a bigger font for you guys to see. So we have the sine of angle B would equal its opposite, which is H, over the hypotenuse, which is A. So we have sine of angle B equaling H over A. And now trying to find the sine of angle A, we have, trying to find the sine of angle A, we have opposite, which is also H here, over the hypotenuse, which is the length B right here. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to multiply the top equation right here. We're going to multiply the top equation. Let me change the color real quick. We're going to multiply the top equation by A on both sides to get rid of that denominator. And then for the second, or the bottom equation, we're going to multiply both sides by B to get rid of that B in the denominator. All right, so our new equation would look like this. We would have A times sine of angle B, which equals H, and we would have B times sine of angle A equaling H as well. Now from here, we can see that we have two equations and they both equal H. So what we're going to do is we're going to set those equations equal to each other. So we have H equals H from these two equations right here. And so we're going to set A times sine of angle B equal to B times sine of angle A. And now from here, what we're going to do is we're going to divide both sides by A and B. That's an A. So we're going to divide both sides by A times B. A times B. Alright, so this is an A, guys. So when we divide both sides by A times B, on the left side, the A's will cancel here, and on the right side, the B's will cancel. So what we're left with is our beautiful formula, which is sine of angle B over B equaling sine of angle A over A, which is our law of sine formula right here. And then we're just missing the sine of C over C, which we could figure this out by drawing a different altitude from, let's say, from point A to segment CB. So by doing this and repeating the previous steps that we did to solve for our other angles, we'll be able to solve for the third part of our formula. And this concludes my mini lesson on proving the law of sine.